you know the original of this soap if you've been using this soap. So if you want to add more streams of income to you, what you need to do is to contact me, right? I will show you how you can make money from the comfort of your home, how to start a business without capital. We are going to unbox some of the beauty products I got. Please, I really need to know what our country is going into. Like, what 40K got me, I'm yet to recover from it. Like, that's the reason why I'm making this video. Let's talk. Let's know what is happening in this country if it's only on my side. Then we're also talking about my beautiful braids and how you can keep up with the economy, making money online as a stay-at-home mom, a student, someone that just finished uni or poly, whatever, after school, what next kind of life, someone that just finished NYSC, someone that just wants to figure out life and know how to make money from the comfort of their home and live the soft life. So if this sounds like the kind of video you're interested in, then keep watching. So if you're a new subscriber or you're just seeing my video for the first time, my name is Rachel Bryan, formerly Rachel Nabon. You're welcome to my channel. Then for our old subscribers that are just seeing this video, it's good to see you again. Thank you for always showing up for us. All right, let's dive into the video of today. I had this knotless braids on and it got old, so I decided to take it off. And my sister just opened a salon. If you're in Port Harcourt, please, you need to come patronize my sister. I'm going to leave her handle on the screen and her contact. Come and patronize her. She actually made me this beautiful hair. All right, so I have a new hair. I so much love this hair style. My husband actually picked it because he has always been ringing it in my ear that this is the hairstyle that he loves, and me, I've been stubborn to do it, but I decided to do it for him this week. And he was so excited when he saw me. I even bought me shawarma. He's like, I'll only be doing things that this man loves. So no more playing stubbornness. Okay, so I have to do the hair, and this was what I ordered for, and this is what I got. Look at the hair. Let me know if you love my hairstyle. Let me know if you love simple hairs like this. Like the other one was actually very long, but this is short. I have to ask her to make it short and fold it at the back. So whenever I want to create content or have a consultation with my student, I won't get to start dressing my hair and start struggling with hair. So this is going to do us for the week. Thank you, Zule Touch, for giving me this beautiful hair. I love it. Okay, so let's dive into the next thing that we have today. You see this bag here that I'm carrying? This is my 40K. Like, this is me carrying 40K in my hand. Like, what has this country become? What has this country become? Let me start bringing them one after the other, because since I came back last night, I just refused to bring out this. After seeing my bills, I don't do more of this skincare thing, but I just pick the necessary ones that I know I need for my skin. If you notice in this video, I did not even apply anything on my skin. I didn't apply anything on my skin at all. So I was like, I went out of stock of some of my products and I went back to get it. Guys, let's start with this one. The truth is that I love Nivea products, right? I love when I say I love Nivea. If you've been following my videos from when I started, I keep saying I don't have a skincare routine, and at a point I was like, I needed something that I can stick to. There are times that I could go months without applying any cream on my body and I was just fine. But I started this skincare routine and I got introduced to this in 2023. What happened was that I said I wanted to start the skincare thing. I went to order some products and they came out bad. Like, I used it on my skin and my skin was in a total mess. So I have to go back to Nivea. I was using Nivea before, but I didn't really understand what was happening. I have to stick to Nivea, and now I can boldly say my cream is Nivea. My brand is Nivea. Like, I so much love Nivea product because since I started using Nivea, I could actually use any product on my skin without having reactions. Yes, I'm telling you out of experience, right? I can use anything. Like, if my soap finish, I can just pick any soap and use on my skin and I won't have any reaction before. So this stuff now, I got it in February at 7,500 naira. only for me to go back again in, was it February? Yeah, I think, yeah, it was that period. That was around my introduction period. So I went back in June to get it again, and I was told 11,500. I was like, what? From 7 something to 11,500 naira in this country. What's this country becoming? So when did that one finish? I decided to take a break. I wasn't applying any cream on my face for a month. My cream went off. This also finished. I just decided to take a break and see how my skin will respond without all of this, and my skin was still in order. So I have to go back and get this. Guys, guess how much I got it? I have my price this year. I said, let me, like, I came back last night. I have to keep everything. I said I will be reviewing them one after the other because I'm still in a shock, right? So this is Nivea Passion anti-dark mark with 630, and it also have SPF, right? And it works perfectly. It removes sunburn and all of that. There was a time that the creams I use scattered my face, so this came through for me, and since then I've been using it. I bought this at 15,150 naira. Guys, is this worth it? And this thing just stays for a month end. Is it worth it? Please let me know in the comments. I have been using this for a long time now. I think this is my 4th or 5th bottles. Yes, and this has been a go-to. Radiant and Beauty, Nivea Radiant and Beauty. Initially, I was using Even and Radiant. Yeah, so that went out of stock, and this is what they have, and this has been working perfectly well for me. Like, you won't see any reaction on my skin. You won't see dark knuckles and the rest of it. It gives you even tone, and I've been using this too. So I started using this when it was around 3,750. Currently is on 5,250. Guys, please help me. Is this worth it? Then I got this powder. This is a dry powder palette that I use on my skin. I got this at 3,000. I think this is the only product. Let me confirm. This is the only product that the price haven't changed. The price of this product haven't changed. I got the last one in February, and it was 3,000, and currently it's still 3,000. So this is perfect. I don't know where this is coming from, but I'm happy that the price didn't change. Then this extract soap. This soap, they have a lot of fake products. The estate I moved into after my wedding, I tried buying from there, and I got the fake one, and I have to go back to where I usually get from, which is Prince Mega here in Port Harcourt, and I got this too. This is actually 1,150. The last two I bought was 1,700. I think the difference was in the shop, but even the one I bought more expensive, it was still fake. Did you get that? Please let me know, how do you know the original of this soap if you've been using this soap? I started using this soap right from my 300 level back then in school, and it was 500 naira. I stopped using it when it was 600 naira, and I was doing a 9 to 5. I was a broke girl, so it was expensive for me. It was expensive for me, and now I'm buying it at 1,700 naira. This country, it's well with us. Let's move on. I got Baby and Me bar soap, and I also got Colgate fresh toothpaste. So all of this is 40,000 naira. Guys, I'm yet to recover from the shock. Do we need to start praying for this country? Have you been praying for the country? I think this country needs more prayer, and it also needs you to work extremely hard for you to afford these things, because things are becoming expensive every day. Source of income, one source of income or one stream of income is no longer enough. So if you want to actually maintain what you are into, like your beauty, your fashion, whatever it is, if you want to also support the family, you need to get more than one streams of income. I was able to afford all of this courtesy of me working from the comfort of my home, being an entrepreneur, online business owner like that, and also an importation coach. So if you want to add more streams of income to you, what you need to do is to contact me, right? I will show you how you can make money from the comfort of your home, how to start a business without capital, I'll teach you how to do all of this, and it's going to blow your mind. Like, you're going to stay, even if the economy is shaky. Even if the economy is shaky, it won't affect you. It will not affect you. Like, you just be hearing of it, but you're there cashing out either in foreign currency or in your currency. As for me, I earn in the both. So if dollar increases, it's to my advantage. If dollar decreases, also to my advantage. If dollar increases, that means my YouTube pay will increase. If dollar decreases, that means my importation business will flow. So would you want to learn? Send me a DM. And that's all for this video. I will see you next time. Bye.